Greetings. Many of you already know that lead is a neurotoxin and needs to be avoided. It should not be ingested. Unfortunately, there are many products that are imported that still have lead in the paint, especially children's toys. This lead test swab kit is very inexpensive, but it's not as sensitive as the X-ray fluorescence meters that are out there that cost about $10,000 and can tell you exactly the composition of the paint or any type of material that you read. It'll give you the alloy structure and what percentage. But this test kit is a lot cheaper. You can get it for about 15 bucks if you do a search for lead test swabs. It'll let you know that there's some lead in any paint of like a toy or vinyl products. A few years back, I had some plastic items in the house that were imported, and sure enough, I did a swab test and it did test positive for lead. So what I recommend is if you got a lot of toys in the house that were imported, especially from this Christmas, I recommend investing a few dollars in one of these test kits and doing a swab on these toys or any other plastic items that were imported. It's unfortunate that these companies overseas still like to put lead in the paint, and the reason they do it is it's supposed to enhance the brilliance of the paint, make it a lot brighter and more attractive. And to me, that is a crime, but it's still going on. One of my favorite shows on TV on National Geographic is To Catch a Smuggler. And they showed all these boxes coming in from overseas that had toys in them. And they used the X-ray fluorescence meter to detect lead in almost all of the containers that came in. I really don't mind my tax dollars going towards something like that, towards these Border Patrol people looking for that and drugs being smuggled in. But anyway, enough of this. Let's go on with the test. All you have to do is take out one of these swabs like this. You dip it in a little white vinegar. Don't need much. And then I got some lead right here, some lead solder. I'll just rub it on here. It's changing color already. See that? There, it's detecting lead instantly. And then all you do after you see the color change, you already know there's lead in there, and definitely. And then you can compare it to the scale right here, right? That comes with the container. And you can see this area here means no lead on the left side. It's not detecting anything, but then as you go across the color gradient, definitely a color change. It matches high lead content. So I recommend getting one of these lead test kits, especially if you have children in the house and many toys. Please be safe out there. Thank you. Bye-bye.